That's all good. Your stream froze. Fair enough. From soft, please nerf. Yeah. Wait, it's not there. Oh, yeah. It's in here. I remember watching Bloodborne when it first came out. This guy right here that I just killed with the flamethrower, everyone was dying on him. To parry them, and visceral, when the meter is full you become immune to damage during the animation. Oh really? Oh, Armadillo, how's it going, man? I thought Dark Souls 1 version of Frenzy was called Curse, Kappa. You can also parry the Brain Woman for a one shot, and if Frenzy procs while you're doing it, it takes no damage. Curse isn't that a bitch. Oh, isn't that bad, to be honest. I don't know where I seen bitch from. Oh my god. The knife looks worse on camera somehow. That's all good, man. Wait, am I going the right way? No. I remember now. That's the wrong way. What's up, Sampi Mia? Can't stay long. Have a nice stream in advance. Thank you very much, man. Hope you have a good day, dude. Yay, my favourite part of Escape of Velocity is coming up. I love this part of the song. It's awesome. Oh, where's the brain sucker? I seen you there. Wow, that combo though. Holy crap. Just settle down with the damage, please. A bit. A bit too much. It's not down there. My cat is trying to eat my toenail, so it's good and bad. What? Fair enough. Oh, he's here! Yay!
Oh, good to see you safe. Now, let's think up something to discuss. Just tell me what piques your interest. I bid you farewell. May the good...
Who that? That is another hunter in the game. NPC. Oh, I'm looking for the place where you go down and then they ask you for the password. I cannot remember where it is. Oh, come on, brain, think. Oh, it is back there. Oh, I'm an idiot. It is. It's down around the stairs. Wait, I can kill him now, can't I? Yes. If I kill him now, will I still be able to get the wheel off him? I have a feeling that I can get the wheel off him. Alright, YOLO. Oh well.
What is that? Why turn your blade on me?
That damage, holy crap. beggar guy? I think so. Confirmed you hate NPCs. Yeah. Got him. Oh crap. He's got the Kirk hammer, that's right. And he heals like a boss. I thought that if you kill him now, I can get the wheel from him. Because that was one of the weapons that I missed on my first playthrough. That health though, yeah I know. He's ridiculous. And he's dead. Nah. You'll regret this. Yeah, I'm sorry, bro. Will Hunter badge. There we go. Yep. Now I can get the wheel weapon. It kind of made me sound like that dude from Big Bang Theory. What's his name? Fear the Old Blood. There we go. That's the whole time it's this guy already dead. Oh, Kripke, that's it. The wheel weapon. Nah, not Leonard Sheldon. Leonard or Sheldon. Kripke, the wheel weapon. Yay! I'm actually at the place where I need to be. Oh, an item. Thick cotted blood. Oh, the lisp you mean. Yeah, the wheel weapon. Oh dear. Yeah, the guy that has the lisp. Kripke. Okay. I think there's an item here. Yep. Twin stones. Look out. Look out. Yeah, that's it. Barry Kripke. He's awesome. You know, he actually doesn't talk like that in real life. He actually talks normal. But he does have a bit of a... He does sound the same. You know what? I seriously have to thank you, Semper. Your stream is the only thing that keeps me awake right now, and for good reasons I must be awake. Oh, that's all good. Thank you very much for thanking me. I appreciate it very much. 6 consecutive messages. Yeah, that's all good, Dreamy. I appreciate you appreciating me. Indeed. Oh, not this guy. Crap, I forgot about him. Get wrecked. Yeah, I'm just some average guy trying to make a living on Twitch. And the support has just been absolutely phenomenal. You guys are awesome. You guys deserve all the best things. Seriously. A depth blood gem. Nice. Remind me to never lend my services to a gossiping friend. I'll try to remind you, but I do have a goldfish brain. Um, it's quite hard. Okay, wait. That's all that's there. Oh my god. Let's head back. No thank you. I'm so... Oh, okay, I know where to go. It's time for the cannon hype. Cannon hype. Two mods left? I don't know what you mean by that. Basically, I'm making my one friend some channel art for his YouTube channel, and he told everyone else that I was doing this, so now I've got to make like 5. Really? Bloody hell. Sounds like you've got your work cut out for you. Cannon. I'm not gonna use the cannon, I'm only gonna get it. 2 modders left the stream, and there is only 2 left. I had no idea. So good people can come and go, you know, they're not stuck here. Glue his lips, lol. Fair enough. Oh dear. Maybe if the 5 are for free, I'd kind of be a bit peeved, but if you're getting a little bit of dosh out of it, then yeah, why not? But you and Miss Mia, your partner, yes. Well, I'm not really a mod. I'm the caster. But yeah, the irony is that I don't even have my own channel art yet. Oh, really? Oh, that would suck. BD Gray left to go. I think he does soccer training. And who? Yeah, Pimpin's gone to work, and Breadcrumb is playing another game, I think. Poor bugger dreaming. That's not good. Should take some time out to get something going for your own channel. You know, they can all wait. Do your own. Different if there's money involved and it's like a business where you're doing channel art for people. But yeah, you should do your own first. Bugger 'em. Okay. Let's loot everything now. Wow, that's a fair bit of loot left over. Holy crap. When will it end? I don't know.